I'm Barry Freeman. I'm from Regina, Saskatchewan. I took Heal Your Life training with facilitator Victoria Johnson, and it's in Banff. It was great. She's a great facilitator. I took away a lot of learnings from this, and I'm excited to apply them to my business back home.
My name is Maria Jacinto, and I am from Mexico. I came here to Banff to take the Heal Your Life training, and I want to share it was an amazing experience because I really heal a lot. I didn't expect to work a lot on myself and really help me in my self-development.
My name is Nyla Kluge, and I come from Whitehorse, Yukon, Selkirk First Nation from Pelly Crossing, Yukon. I feel that through this experience being here at this gathering for the last 10 days, my spirit feels full, my spirit feels healthy, whole, healed. I feel at peace. I feel just really positive about my outlook in life and where I'm going to go with this whole new process of life. And I have a lot to offer myself, and loving myself is number one, and taking care of myself is number one. And I'm grateful to my higher power, to Creator, for guiding me to this special place called You Can Heal Your Life.
Hi there, my name is Doreen Hill, and I'm from Vancouver Island. So I made the journey to Banff to be here for this workshop, and it's actually been so transformative for me in my life. It's been quite an adventure, and I'm so grateful that I made the trip and signed myself up and went through the program. It's been amazing.
So my name is Lise Kobus. I live in Winnipeg, Manitoba, Canada. What brought me to Banff initially was my friend Charlotte, and knowing Louise Hay, I thought, oh my goodness, there's a natural workshop to learn Louise Hay, to be a teacher or a coach with Louise Hay, and I thought, oh my God, I'm jumping on. Everybody can benefit from this. Louise Hay teachings are simple yet very deep, going to the core with love, with so much love. And that is the takeaway that I'm leaving Banff with, is how much I can do for myself. I read the books, but it wasn't the same as being in a 10-day concentrated group. Yeah, it's the best.
My name is Charlotte Kniepenack Stone Bear. I am from Manitoba, and I live in a reservation called Skownan. And I never thought that I would have an opportunity with a training that was created by Louise Hay. The breakthroughs continuously happened all through the entire time that I've been here.
My name's Tanea. I'm from Grand Forks, BC. I was introduced to Louise Hay's work a long time ago, but this last year and a half, I had a really struggling health journey, and her name kept coming up and her book kept coming up. And then all of a sudden I saw an advertisement for this training, and I was like, oh my goodness, okay, is this real? I think I need to come to this. So I contacted Victoria. I was like, yeah, it's real. And I was like, all right, I'm meant to be here. I wasn't supposed to make it for this one, but I got the opportunity to come again and be here in more of a leadership role this time. And I'm just so blessed, and I have so much gratitude for being able to come then, because it really helped me on my healing, my personal healing, but then also getting to take what I've learned here and be able to bring it back to my community.
Hi, I'm Priscilla Desley, and I'm from the Horse Lake First Nation, and I just completed the Heal Your Life training, coach and trainer, and it is absolutely phenomenal. It changed my life. I love myself. This is just a great opportunity, and I am so glad that I got the opportunity to take this and help change people's lives as it changed mine.
My name is Kismet, and I'm from Edmonton, Alberta. The training was awesome, and the Victoria was awesome, and I'm so grateful to be here, especially with Victoria, because whatever I was looking for, I got way more than that, and I'm so confident going home with all the tools, all the resources, and with all the love from everybody here.
Hi, my name's Cindy. I'm from England. I found this training on the Heal Your Life website. I was just so wanted to do it. I've been wanting to do this training for such a long time, and I really liked the look of Victoria and sort of read all her qualifications, and she'd been teaching it for quite a long time, and I thought that's what I want to do. That's the course I want to go on.
My name is Lisette. I traveled 7,000 kilometers to be here in Banff, Canada for the Heal Your Life workshop, and coach training, and I have just been drawn to Victoria since I got her name referred to me from Paul, and this has been an amazing journey.
My name is Marlene Big Sorrel Horse. I'm from the Kainai Blood Tribe and part of the Blackfoot Confederacy. I came to Heal Your Life training to get the tools that I need to be able to go back and help out in my community. The Heal Your Life training and teachings really helped me, changed my life.
My name is Tina McCumber. I'm from Ganawagi Mohawk Territory. I was told about Victoria's Heal Your Life training session by a member of my community, and I felt very drawn to it because I've been in a healing journey heavily in the past year and a half, and I felt, and she also felt, that this would be the next step for me. And coming here has really opened my eyes and really helped me heal some of the inner child traumas that I've had in my life. Victoria has been a phenomenal facilitator, coach. She's amazing at her job. Her voice just can put me to sleep. It's so gentle and soft and genuine, and her whole being is just magical. And I really appreciated this whole experience.
My name is Teresa Hauer. I am from Pennsylvania. This has just been a sacred turning point in my life. I have released old patterns. I feel so much better and so much lighter, and I've learned so many tools. I'm leaving here with powerful tools that I can take home with me to help others.
Say, don't hesitate, it's well worth it.
Do it. I mean, it's just unbelievable. It's life-changing. I know you hear these things from time to time when people say, this course was life-changing. This truly, truly was. On a soul level, it was life-changing. There were so many aspects of my life, patterns that I wasn't happy, that I was repeating. I was unconscious of them. And I'm a counsellor, so being self-aware is really, really important. And I thought I was self-aware, but other layers were peeled back, and yeah, it was just unbelievable. I would just say, do it.
Just honor yourself and jump in. Just trust yourself, trust your intuition. Do it.
I would tell them that if you're ready to work on yourself or with yourself and the inner child in you, then do this. You will not regret it. It's one of the best things that I have done for myself.
Come here, come to the training. Oh, it's so wonderful, amazing. You have to come here and take this. It'll transform your life, and it's really something else. You come here and you'll know what I'm talking about. It's great.
Definitely, you're not going to be disappointed. Yeah, I'm sure everybody would get some benefit from being able to come to this training in your personal life, in your career, and again, the connections that you make people is absolutely amazing. It's life-changing.
Heal your life because you're worth it.